Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow installing apps from unknown sources on your AYANEO Pocket S2 Pro. If you'd like to install an app from the internet, then you would need to allow your internet browser or your file explorer to be able to open that file. Before I do that, I'm going to very quickly try to find an app on the web, like let's say, I don't know, Instagram, whatever. Instagram APK. APK is the file format used for, I don't know why my Wi-Fi is off, but let's try turning it on. Yeah, let's try getting the Instagram APK. Remember that if you're downloading it from unknown sources and you don't trust those sources, it may contain a virus, so only do it if you trust a certain source. You can see the file is being downloaded right now, so if I go to downloads, it is there. And now if I were to open it, I can open it from there, but I'll show you how to let Google Chrome open it by allowing it in the settings, because it is more universal. It'll let you do it even if, like, no matter if it works or not. So go to settings, then go to apps, then go to special app access, and now go to install unknown apps. Now select the app that you currently have that you will use to open the APK file on, and I will select Google Chrome and allow Chrome as the source of unknown apps installation. Now let's go to Chrome, let's go to downloads and find the APK file that I'd like to open. Now I can easily click on install and you can see it is being installed. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.